Do you guys see this? Do you see it? It came out bomb. Calm. Boom. When I say good, I like it. This came out good, y'all. It came out good. I love it. Yes. Welcome back to the old ones. Hello to the new ones. Thank you for coming to join me for another video. So this time around, I wanted to try Butterfly Locs. I've been seeing pictures come up on my YouTube, my Instagram, and I decided to give it a try. And I'm in love. Like, she came out looking right, and I did good, like I always do. Nah, but for real, like, y'all stick around so y'all can see how I did this. Maybe I can help someone else who wants to try this style. Before we get into this video, go ahead and subscribe and go ahead and hit that post notification bell so you can see my next video. All right, let's get into this video. Alright, so I'm just showing you guys the pattern that I use to braid my hair. Yours does not have to be the same as mine, but I wanted more of a side part, so this is the route that I went. In total, I have 51 braids. It was a little bit more than I wanted, but being that I was doing my own hair, I really didn't keep count. I ended up using 5 packs of braiding hair. This is the Freetress Water Waves, 22 inches, and it's in color 2. There wasn't much hair in each pack. I think each pack had about anywhere from 9 to 11 strands. So I took 2 strands and split both of those in half. I used 3 individual strands for each lock. I know that might sound a little bit confusing, but I'll explain a little bit more later on. For those who already know how to crochet, this next step should be simple. All I'm doing is sliding my crochet needle through my hair and hooking on the crochet hair. Then I'm going to close the latch and tug until I see a little loop form. I'm going to put my hand through that loop and just pull at one end. Next, I'm going to use one hand to hold my braid and one part of the crochet hair and use the other hand to wrap. I did wrap a good 3 to 4 times at the base before I started going down, so that my lock wouldn't come off easily. I am wrapping loose as I'm going down because I want that bohemian distressed look to my locks. If you pay attention to my thumb, I am wrapping the hair over it. And as I'm ready to wrap again, I slide my thumb down. I'm going to repeat those same steps until I get to the bottom of my lock. Now that I'm at the bottom, I'm going to crisscross the hair and make a loop and twist in the same direction going up. I'm going to explain this process to you one more time just in case you didn't understand it the first time. I take 2 strands of the water wave hair and split it in half to where I'm left with 4 strands. But I'll only be using 3 of those strands. Next, I slide the crochet needle through the base of my hair and hook on the crochet hair. Naturally, the latch should shut when pulling in the opposite direction, but we're going to shut it, then pull the hair through. At this point, you should be able to glide the hair from left to right. Now, pinch at the root using the hand that you're holding the braid and the crochet hair with. Using the hair in the opposite hand, wrap the hair around the base a few times until it's nice and secure, and then work your way down, loosening your grip. Wrapping the hair around my thumb kind of helped create that butterfly effect. So every now and then I wrap the hair around my fingers, slid my finger down, and repeated that same process over and over. get your lock to the length that you want it to be, place your thumb at the end and twist, creating a loop or a circle around your thumb. Pull out your thumb and start wrapping upwards in the same direction you were wrapping when you were going down the lock. First and foremost, I am in love with this hairstyle. I did not think it was going to look like this. It was my first time trying this hairstyle. They look good. So it did take a little bit longer than expected. Well, it took a little bit longer than I normally do my hair. It took about 5 hours, which is fine, you know. Maybe I can help someone else who wants to try this style. If you guys like what you see, go ahead and subscribe. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this so I can bring more content like this for you guys. See you in my next video. Bye.